Hi traders, this is Prakash Kawa here. Nifty view for 30th June 2021. Nifty is closed in the red. Now this was expected because I had been saying that 15,861 is a strong resistance zone to deal with. And where is 15,861? I'll show it to you. It's somewhere closer to this. 861, yes. See this resistance out here? It has not been able to close above it. It closed on it, not above it. Maybe 1 point so. It opens above it but comes down. It's a very strong resistance zone on a higher time frame basis on some very good geometry. Anyway, so far it's weak. So time for some kind of a time-wise correction. Corrections could be time-wise, price-wise, or both. Looks like this more of a time-wise correction, a bit of price-wise as well. So this is the place needs to consolidate, and above 15,861 is 16,000. So even if it crosses 15,861, it is going to get stuck at 16,000. That's a tough nut to crack. Not very easy. It will eventually, but it needs to breathe a lot, take rest a lot before it takes out 16,000. Anyway, let's see. It's weak and it's closed in the red. Now this zone of 15,800 has become some kind of a resistance zone. It's a buffer zone. Once it crosses this, it is likely to get stuck at 15,861 once again. But this would be a tough nut to crack, where I've written resistance zone. Whether it happens or not, I don't know. But we will have to see. Because market will do what it wants to do. When I look at the Bank Nifty, broke down a very important support here and cracked down. Now the mark that I marked here, resistance zone, is the resistance zone to deal with. So if it goes up, it's likely to get stuck here near 35,400. So if it opens somewhere closer to where I've written resistance zone in the green, very good chance it can slide down. But there's a support in the vicinity of 34,700. I think it should come there where it's likely to find support. If it finds support here, fine. If not, 34,300. Here I've written the 34,300. So far it looks weak to me. The gap up open, if it happens, I will doubt it. Market will do what it has to do. We have to do what we have to do. We should mark our points and trade those points. Simple as that. Because trading is only about making money, nothing else. Trade what you see, not what you think. Trade the markets, not the forecast. Happy trading, and yes, enjoy the ride.